welcome to Banana Paradise. Today we discuss about feathery birds. So let's start. Birds are warm-blooded animals. These bodies covered with feather that act as insulation. They lay eggs. Birds are bipedal or have two legs, which used for perching, hopping and walking. So, let's come to the feather. There have different types of feather in bird's body. The feather is covered only some portion of bird's body. The soft feather and down feather cover the inner portion of bird's body, and the down portion is keep bird warm, and some feathers used for fly. So let's come to the some features of bird's body. Birds are warm-blooded vertebrates, and instead of four limbs, they have wings which enable them to fly. All birds have sharp vision which give information about surrounding, and his sense of smell and hearing is not very sharp. So, I hope you like this feathery birds. So, if you like it, so like, subscribe and share.